Manipur ki Imphal City Mayol Maktadra Ladiba Khwairamband Ema Keithel bu Living Cultural Heritage Site ama oina laothokpiyu Manipur ki Rajya Sabha ki MP Sanajaoba Leisemba na Parliament taksin kray ngasi fam ki ba Parliament mifam gi 0 hour gi matamda MP Sanajaoba na Khwairamband Ema Keithel gi wafam asi pukhatladuna hai Manipur ki Imphal City Mayol Maktadra Ladiba Khwairamband Ema Keithel hairaga su thoidok hendok na khangnariba Ema Keithel asi nupi khaktana phamba Asia gi oina khwaidagi leadaba nupi Keithel singi manungda ama oiriba Keithel amani Keithel asida nupa lalonba amatana stall natraga shop hangbagi ayaba pide Keithel asi semgat khibagi matangda yamna sanglaba Leisemba mari leinaba wari lady Keithel asi lalon itik khaktagi mafam natte Keithel asina Manipur gi puwari da socio economic ki oiba achoba mafam amasu kalli haike MP Sanajaoba na makha taraduna kumjali singamaga chamapan supna mari amade English singamaga chamapan kuntraga mapan gi nupi lan haina khangnariba British loilam lenga ki mayokta Manipur gi nupi singna haukiba lalhau singadu Keithel asi gi luching bi nupi singna haudokibani hairiba Keithel asi women economic empowerment ke topa khudam amani loinana Keithel asi Nari Sakti gi achoba khudam ama oina lobasu yai Keithel asi gi topa mawong matau lamdam asi gi puwari ga sago narakpagi tongan ba masak thokpa wari amadi women empowerment ke lamda maru oiba mafam ama kalliba kaya asina maram oiraga Khwairamband Ema Keithel asi bu Indian Constitution gi article 51A gi makhada living cultural heritage site oina laothokpinaba amadi article 49 gi makhada lamdam asi gi puwari ga sago naraklaba amadi leibak asi gi maru oiba Mafam ama oina yokhatuna thambinaba MP Sanajaoba na House ki khuthangda Union Government ki pukning chingsin ke
for giving me this opportunity, and my 0-hour submission is demand to declare the Ema Keithel Women Market of Manipur as a living cultural heritage site. Sir, the Ema Keithel in Manipuri, Ema means mother and the Keithel means market, that is Mother's Market, also popularly known as the Khwairamband Ema Keithel, situated at the heart of Imphal City. Manipur is one of the oldest women markets in Asia, run only by women folk, and no male traders are allowed to open stalls or shop there. It has a very long mythological story about its establishment. It is not only a commercial hub, but it also occupies as a vital socio-economic space in the history of Manipur. Sir, the two women uprisings of Manipur, known as the Nupilan of 1904 and 1939, against the British colonial rules, were initiated, organized by the women leaders of this market. This market is a unique symbol of women economic empowerment, and it may be described as a great example of Nari Shakti. Because of its unique nature, its historical significance, and its value of women empowerment, I urge upon the Union Government to declare the Ema Keithel or Khwairamband Ema Keithel as a living cultural heritage site under Article 51A and to preserve it as a place of historic interest and national importance under Article 49 of Indian Constitution. Thank you, sir.